So today's video is going to be on street style store. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Padmaja and I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle. So if these are something that interests you, do check out other videos on my channel as well. And please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. So today's video is going to be on street style store. So you must have already heard about it. They have like combos like 3 for 999, 3 for 1100 and something like that. So I guess they only have like two sections, only clothing and footwear. So I wanted to try out this site because it's been quite popular these days and many people have been buying from there. I also think it's quite affordable to buy from there, so I just wanted to try it out as well. So their footwear and clothing are quite limited. They do not have any huge collection as such, but their prices are quite affordable, which made me want to try it. I first wanted to try clothes from them, but I did not really like anything from them. I went from top to bottom, but I did not find 3 pieces to buy, which comes as a combo, like 3 for 999. I did not really find 3 good pieces to buy clothes from, so I did not end up buying any clothes. But I did try out their flats and I bought like 3 flats for 999. But actually it did not cost me 999, it costed me more than that. They have like shipping charge also. Let me check. It's showing that shipping costed 0 but tax is 50. So yeah, it costed me 50 more, which made it 1049 as the total order. So yeah, I got 3 flats for 999, which I think is kind of okay. Not very cheap, but quite affordable for 3 flats. And also I want to tell you guys few things in case you want to order from them. So first thing being the delivery date. It took a good month for the order to deliver. I placed my order on 5th of March and I exactly received my order after a month, which is 5th of April. So it took me about 30 days or 31 days, I guess. So 30 days for my order to deliver, and I just place the order and forget it. That's how it works. So yeah, without any further ado, let me show you guys what I've got from them. Here they are. This is the box that the order comes in. So yeah, let me show you what I've got. So this is how the packaging looks like. They come in this plastic wrap. So this is the first pair of flats. I got them in the size 36. My size is 36. They do not look exactly like in the picture, but the quality is quite nice. I did not expect the quality to be this good. It has a soft cushion also, so it is really comfortable to wear them. And this is how it looks like. It doesn't look exactly like in the picture, but it looks quite nice. The quality is really good, and yeah, this is how it looks like. This is the first pair of flats that I got. I got them in the white because they'll be good for vacation or beach or anywhere nice. You can wear it to anywhere and they'll look really good. So this is the first pair of flats that I got. Let me show you the second pair. So this is what the second pair looks like. It has a stretchy material here. You just have to pull it while wearing them, because they are not like regular flats where you have to push your feet, but they have this elastic thing. You have to pull it up and then wear it. You know what I meant. So this is how the second pair looks like. The quality is really good. I just love how the quality is. These kind of flats are very trendy these days. I don't know what this style is called, but it is very trendy these days, and yeah, that's why I wanted to try something like this. And I have not found these kind of flats anywhere else. I only found it in this site, so I just wanted to try them out because they're quite inexpensive as well. So yeah, this is how the second pair of flats look like. The third pair of flats are also basic. I got them in this nude color. So it is also same like the black heels. It has the same style. This is how it looks like. It is also the same kind of pattern like the black flats, and I really like the detailing, but they have like this kind of shape. The black ones have like square kind of shape. But yeah, this is how the flats look like. So these are the 3 pairs of flats that I got. I only got them in the basic colors, nothing new or nothing special. but yeah, I really like them, and my take on them is the quality is really nice. And in case you're wondering if you want to buy them or not, you can definitely go for them. They're really nice, the quality is nice, and they're true to size, so you can just pick up whatever size you are in. So yeah, that is all for the video, guys. So I hope you all liked it, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and let me know in the comment section if you found this video helpful. And please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click on the bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys again next week, and until then, take care. Bye.